Welcome back to the BTCC YouTube channel. I am joined with Tom Chilton and Tom Ingram, and we are here to do the Mr. and Mr. Challenge. Oh, we've started off great.
The Mr. and Mrs. Challenge.
Yes,
okay.
So first round, we're gonna...
Right, minimal frolicking, Tom.
No frolicking.
Keep the frolicking to a minimal.
Okay.
So first round, we're gonna put some headphones on you, Mr. Chilton.
Okay.
And you're gonna listen to some beautiful music, probably Taylor Swift. And then we're gonna ask you, Tom, some questions about Tom.
Okay.
And then we'll take the headphones off and we'll see how many you got right.
Okay.
And the answer is no, I don't like Taylor Swift, so I'm looking forward to this.
He doesn't like it. He loves it. What's playing, please?
It's not Taylor Swift. It's that gangster music all the young kids are listening to.
No, I won't.
I
was going to do it, but I won't.
Let's go.
I won't be a child.
Oh, he's liking this.
He's enjoying. Look at it.
He's liking
There's some
rap
big
music.
headphones.
What did I miss?
Right,
when I was looking at you.
I'm getting like embarrassed dad vibes.
Are we ready?
I'm sorry. Yes.
You don't want me to write anything, no? No.
What does Tom do to prepare for a race?
He always eats.
He eats.
He eats lots.
He eats a lot.
Yeah. Mostly my jelly babies.
That feels a bit like a personal one.
Yeah, it's a thing.
Apple Music Radio. That's what we're on, baby.
Yeah, he eats all my jelly babies.
Perfect, if you write that one down.
Oh, I've got to write it
and then
down.
hide it from him as well.
He'll see it.
Hide it from him.
Oh.
This is love making music right here. All night long, baby, this kind of music.
I've got dad embarrassment.
It's not Barry White, though.
Make it stop.
Who was his childhood motorsport hero? Oh, difficult one.
Oh, I don't know. Who was your child motorsport hero?
I can't hear you. I'm listening to like Boys to Men or something on Apple Radio.
I'm going to go Ayrton Senna.
I feel like that's a solid shout.
Yeah, he seems the type.
Yeah. Okay, what is the first thing he does out of the car after a session?
Oh, no, I can't say that. It's a very boring one, but he'll talk to Barry.
It is very smooth music.
But he'll also admire his sweaty good looks in the reflection of the car.
All night long,
He'll do
baby.
that, like, smolder.
Right into the, in the wing mirror.
Deep into everyone's soul. Yeah, exactly that. There you go, look, he's doing it now. Stop it. Number 4, please.
Number 4.
He's trying to look in the mirror, but I don't know what they're doing.
It's just funny how loud he's talking.
I know, but this is about usual for Tom, to be fair. This is a usual day for him.
I want to know what he's saying. I got no idea.
Okay, which is his favourite livery he's ever raced in?
His favourite livery?
Yeah.
He's had a lot of them.
Been around a while.
He's a very loud headphones, you know that.
He's been around a while now, haven't you, old boy?
Got no idea.
Yeah.
I literally got no idea.
Just say, yeah.
Happy, I think I was saying in another language.
It gets worse. I'm going to say his 2025 Team VERTU livery. I'm going to say that. It's very boring, but I mean, he's had lots of them, and I don't think he'll remember them all either. Oh, actually, I'm going to have a 2, and then I'll do half points. His Star Wars car.
That's a solid shout, to be honest.
Star Wars.
We've got an admirer, got a fan over here.
Is it? Hi.
He was pointing down, I think he said he's got nice shoes, the cameraman.
He wasn't saying that. He was saying, can you keep your voice
down?
down, please? Because you're setting the noise meter off.
What?
Exactly that. Number 5.
I was going to ask, where did you get your shoes from, cameraman? But I got no idea.
Clarks.
Got no idea.
Hang on a minute.
Clarks. Clarks? You get your shoes from Clarks?
This
What, are you 7?
My mum bought them for me. I didn't buy them.
Are you either 7 or 87? Is Clarks still a thing?
My mum shops there, so...
Really? But pay a visit. Sorry.
See, we got similar clown shoes, haven't we? We're in the same circus.
Anyway,
Oh,
number
I
5.
saw the tongue come out. I think he said, I love you, but I don't know. I think he looked at Tom and he looked down and he went, I love you, but I can't actually say.
See what I have to deal with?
Have you given him coffee or a Red Bull or something?
just some Smarties.
Oh, we got Snoop Doggy Dog. Snoop Doggy Dog.
Number 5,
This
please,
is some-
Libby.
If he had to replace you with anybody else, who would he pick as his new teammate?
Anyone.
Diggity dog dog dog.
Literally anybody. Who would he replace me with?
Yeah.
Can imagine him in one of those cars with the hydraulics and the front of the car's bouncing, you know?
You done? Tom Coronel.
Is it just because another Tom?
Yeah, and when he'll say it, then he'll do his weird Dutch accent. He's going to say that, and then he's just, there, she'll do his little weird Dutch accent that he'll do. Guarantee it, you watch. Anyway, number 6, please.
Number 6, your last one. Who does he think is the best looking on the grid?
Himself.
Oh, stopped.
There you go.
We're done, thank goodness for that.
That was, these are like professional. They're very loud headphones.
Sure, they're good.
You weren't even 100% on the laptop and it was still deafeningly loud.
Yes, and you know what else was deafeningly loud?
What?
You!
No, I wasn't.
You were.
I was honestly chatting
Right,
normal level.
you know the dude who came round here earlier on and he was doing that?
Yeah.
He was saying, keep your voice down.
I really also.
And you went, okay!
Raise controls next door.
Yeah, you set the noise meter off.
I didn't say okay.
The thing you missed is that
Tocker Circus.
cameraman's shoes are from Clark's.
They're from Clark's.
Yeah.
And then I went onto a whole
Mine
thing
are from
of,
Luke.
and then I started just asking, it doesn't matter, you'll see it all back, I'm sure. Just don't, when you edit it, don't make me look horrible. Because I'm a nice guy, really. Just in case Clark's are watching and they're after a brand ambassador. I'll do anything for money, Clark's. I love your shoes, if you're a child or an old man.
But that's true. Old men or children, yeah. Yeah, not, and then you're in the middle range, I agree.
Yeah, exactly, anywhere in the middle.
Oh. How old are you?
26.
I would say you're both too old and also too young to be wearing Clark's shoes.
So what's happening next?
Right, I'm going to ask you the questions that
Yeah.
I just asked Tom.
Yeah.
And you're going to give me your answer and we'll see if they match what Tom's put down.
Okay.
Question number 1.
Yeah.
What do you do to prepare before a race?
On the actual race day?
Yeah.
Just before you go out, because I thought the question was, what do you do, hold on.
Oh, before a race.
What do you do before a race?
Before a race, he's desperate for me to get the answer, isn't he? Before a race, I usually grab my helmet and my balaclava and earpieces, and I usually look in the reflection of the window on the side of my car and I put my earpieces in the balaclava on, put my helmet on. But you're looking at me like that's the answer or not. Do I prepare? I don't do anything. Oh, eat your sweets. That is actually very true, isn't it?
That's why I wrote it down, man.
I just didn't think about that.
Well, we lost that one, Tom. Good one. Well done.
Sorry, I do eat your sweets, don't I?
I thought we were that close that you were going to propose to me at one stage.
With a
Turns
Haribo
out
ring
we
or
don't even
something.
know each other.
Next question. Who was your childhood motorsport hero?
I didn't know this one, by the way.
Childhood, when you're really young, is going to be, for me, Ayrton Senna. But when I was a bit older, it was actually Michael Schumacher. You need one of those two, don't
Yeah,
you?
I could do with one of them, please.
As a child, it was Ayrton Senna.
Yeah, get in there, Lewis.
There's 1 point.
Well done, Tom.
50-50.
You've redeemed yourself.
Number 3. What is the first thing you do after a session?
First thing I do after a session is obviously get out of the car and take my helmet off.
You get out the car, you take your helmet. I mean, that's a given.
And then I would usually talk to my engineer and go back to the racetrack and eat Tom's sweets.
I mean, we've kind of given him the answer now already, haven't we? And this is, I'm going to take this as a point because he's already said it. He talks to Barry.
Talk to Barry, yeah.
Yes.
I do. First thing you do, take him off, talk to your engineer because they need to know what's on the car.
And then goes and eats my sweets. I think we're doing well here. I think we're doing great here, Tom. I think the wedding could still be on.
Please invite me, guys.
Yeah, we'll consider it. It'll be an expensive one if it's a Chilton one. We'll be in Barbados or something.
Which is the favourite livery you've ever raced in?
I would say my favourite livery is this year's one, Team VERTU.
You confident with that?
Yeah, I am confident with it. I really like this year's livery. It's really good.
Would you like to reveal?
It's the 2025 Team VERTU livery.
Hey.
I actually also had as a subsequent bonus point, because you'd also have gone, but I also liked my
Wars.
Star Wars car.
Yeah, I was going to say Star Wars.
Do we get double points?
double dip?
Double
Double
points.
points, double dip.
Inside.
Yes.
Let's go. So I get double points there. So that means we've got 4. Number 5.
Number 5.
Number 5. Come on, Tom. Don't let me down here, mate.
If you had to replace Tom with anybody else, who would you pick as your new teammate? They don't have to be on the grid currently.
We wouldn't replace Tom with anyone. But part of the game, we have to say someone else, don't
Yeah,
we?
it's part of the game, unfortunately. Yeah.
You've probably written down Adam Morgan.
You've already got him as a teammate.
Teammate, okay, it can't be
donut.
him. Someone who's really fun other than Tom Ingram is probably Tom Coronel.
Oh my God, what's happening? What's happening, please?
Yeah, stay off the curbs. He's a fun Dutchman. Yeah.
You two know each other too well.
In every session, lots of fun.
See? Didn't I tell you to do the weird Dutch accent?
You told me.
I told you to do the weird Dutch accent.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and when he'll say it, then he'll do his weird Dutch accent. He's going to say that, and then he says, oh, there, she'll do his little weird Dutch accent that he'll do. Guarantee it, you watch.
Bonus points, double points.
Yeah. Inside. Sorry, Georgina. Sorry, Laura, but I think you're both sacked. Tom and I are going to get married.
Number 6 was, who do you think is the best looking on the grid?
I mean, I fancy women, and there's no women we race with, so this is quite tricky.
Are you regretting the answer, Carl?
No, I just got really scared where he was going there. Suddenly I was really on edge.
Tom Ingram.
Oh,
Oh, that's a compliment.
thanks.
It's not, so Dan Lloyd?
Dan Lloyd. Interesting. I just put himself. You know,
You're not
good-
allowed to do that.
You can say yourself. You can
Yeah, you
back
fancy yourself.
Oh, I don't fancy myself.
5 out of
Well, I'm just
6.
going to give ourselves a bonus point
Oh,
for the Star
you can
Wars
have
card.
it.
So
I'll
we'll have
allow it.
a
I'm feeling
bonus
nice.
point. Thank you. It's very kind of you.
5
Thank you
out
very
of 6. I agree with that one. Actually, I also did the Dutch accent with Tom Coronel, so that's also bonus points. So really, we've got 6 out of 6.
much. Oh yeah, that's a good point actually.
Yeah, that's true. See, we always win.
We're going to reverse it now. You get to be deafened.
I will try my best not to shout.
It's loud, isn't it?
Goodness me, it's really loud. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
all good.
Which track is Tom's least I thought he took his headphones
He doesn't
off
have a
then.
least favourite, just like me, probably.
On the current calendar.
Current calendar. His least favourite. Okay.
Looks like it's going through it over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got that one.
Okay, what are you saying for it? It's going for Croft. Okay. Okay, bit Croft. That's interesting. When did he start racing?
Is that good headphones?
They are.
He's in Janettas. That's when he met Laura, 8 years younger than me, which makes him 32. And he would have started racing in Janettas as a guest.
I think it's right.
When he was... But he would have done karting. Does this count karting? Does this count karting?
We'll count karting. Maybe if you go for 2 numbers.
Getting back together, Well, I don't know this
Yeah,
one.
okay, I'll go for that one. All right, yeah, okay. This is what I've written.
So 2008 for cars, 2002 for karting. Okay.
That's a guess.
You went for a lot of maths.
A lot
with
of
that.
maths, yeah, trigonometry, everything in that one.
Question 3. What is his pre-race ritual? Oh, the rain is heavy. I'll get his attention. Look at the rain.
It's raining.
He always has to go to the toilet.
Weak bladder.
Yeah, weak bladder.
Although you never want to be.
I don't know this one.
Number 4.
What snack does he always have in the truck?
He would have lots if I wasn't in the truck at the same time.
You weren't eating them as well.
Sadly, I'm in the truck. His favourite, though, is definitely Haribo. But he
I need a
also,
bit more
he
of a
also,
vibe. This is a
though-
bit too depressing, this one.
He also, though, does like squishies. Can I put Haribo and squishies? Because he likes them both as much. I see him put his hand in.
Double dips.
So he has like 1 squishy, 1 Haribo. He likes a double dip, don't you, Tom? Whereas me, I like a lucky dip. So, number 5.
Number 5.
Number 5.
If he had to replace you with anybody, who would he pick as a new teammate?
Happy, fake, confused, and only at the same time.
Didn't know he was such a Swiftie.
I'm having a right vibe out here. This is amazing.
I don't think he'd replace me with anyone, to be honest.
Uh-oh, I know about you, and I'm feeling 22. I will try my best not to shout.
He wouldn't, but I don't know. You could have to say someone, don't you?
Yeah.
I can't think of anyone he would have instead of me, to be honest. Who's funny on the grid? Oh, it's really hard. I'm going to put Dan Lloyd.
Is that just replacing
Just because
attractive
he's
with
the
attractive?
next best looking,
Yeah,
so I think we'll go Dan Lloyd.
Last one. Who does he think has the nicest livery on the grid? Except for you guys, he can't pick Virtue.
Can't pick ours.
No.
He's definitely not going to say Jake Hill. I do think actually the Napa cars do look the next best. I know it's competitor, but I do think they look
Okay.
next best. That's it.
We will-
No 7.
No 7.
22.
You can
22. Yeah.
them off.
I would like a cup of tea.
Oh my gosh, you are listening to Taylor Swift.
Sorry if you haven't got the royalties for that or anything
You
and we get
poor-
cancelled.
you
but
poor man.
Sorry. I think she's pretty good. Old Taylor Swift.
I mean, if we ever want to go to the Eras tour, that was beautiful.
Holler at me.
These are a lot harder than what you got, I think.
Okay, very good.
Good luck.
Hit me.
First question. Which track is your least favourite on the current calendar?
My least
You said hit me.
Oh,
My least
your
favourite.
least favourite.
You like them all really, so
I
it's
do
quite a
like
tricky
them
one.
all. I like Croft. I like Knockhill. I like Alton. My least favourite is probably Thruxton. You put something like Croft, didn't you?
Oh, he said it! He said it! He said it!
My favourite circuit that we go to. But
that
it's
your
okay.
favourite
It's
circuit?
okay. It's
You
fine.
just misunderstood the question.
No, you misunderstood. It's easily done, Tom.
I
It's easily
misunderstood.
done.
I thought
You
you
thought you
said
said my
what's his
favourite circuit. No, that's easy.
Okay, next question. When did you start racing?
In general or in touring cars?
In general.
It's tricky because I've done one for cars and one from karting.
What year did I start racing? I started when I was 5. What year would that have been? 1999? You got that wrong, didn't you?
I didn't think you started that young.
And then car racing was, my first car racing year was 2009. Wrong as well, didn't you, Tom?
That was
one
really
year.
close.
What year did you go? 2008?
I thought you were 15 years old in Janettas.
I was 15 years old when I was in Janettas, yeah.
Well, my maths is wrong then. So I worked out that you're 32 years old now and you started when you're 15 years old, which is 2008.
You don't get extra things for showing your workings out or anything.
Yeah, it's all about the workings out, you see. I just
So you want half a
dyslexic.
point for the working out?
Get your half point.
This is like a school sports day for getting given half a point just for doing nothing, just for turning up. Well done, here's a medal for turning up.
No, I said started in 15 in Ginettas, and I've just written 2008 instead of 2009. That's.
But they're all wrong.
Right, number 3. What is your pre-race ritual?
Have a wee.
Yeah, there we go, tick.
Yeah, I got a bladder of a sort of a 95-year-old woman.
Do you have a favourite track that have nice bathrooms?
Knock Hills did a very good job with the new toilet facilities.
They were very nice,
they
yeah.
put some
Very
money this year.
nice. Brands, I would put lowest because it's the furthest walk, and there's always a queue unless you use the secret toilets.
Do you use that?
What a weird conversation we have, rating toilet facilities.
This is the content people
This
want.
is the
yeah.
this is the stuff people are after. This is the hard and gripping stuff.
This is why they're subscribed.
Yeah.
Tom's
Thanks so
toilet
much.
review.
If you'd like a great review, we can go on to other reviews. Just leave your comments below what you'd like us to review.
Okay, what snack do you always have in the truck?
Squashies.
Yes.
Is there a second?
Millions of them in Haribo. I reckon I could swim my way through the amount that we get. And in fairness, they all come from the BTCC fans.
Haribo and squishes.
I reckon I get
double points.
double points.
Double points.
Inside, I reckon.
I have no clue where this double points
talking
thing is
about?
from.
Just a thing, innit? It's just a little inside joke.
Just a little Tom thing, you know.
It's just a thing that we do.
Just a thing that the Toms know.
I got good swimmers, 4 kids. What? Next one. Question 5.
If you had to replace Tom with anybody, who would you pick?
I'd want somebody very similar to Tom. Funny, humorous, excellent to be around, and there's no one like him. It's a very tricky one.
It's a tricky one.
In fairness, Dan Lloyd was good fun to have around. Colin? Oh my gosh.
Who are you going with, Colin or Dan?
Aidan Moffat's good fun as well. Well, I'll go with my first guess of Dan Lloyd.
Correct.
I double bluffed there because he mentioned Dan Lloyd earlier about good-looking people, and I thought he's gonna have Dan Lloyd on the brain.
You want to switch an attractive one for an attractive one, apparently.
Yeah, let's go with that.
And a humorous one.
Because I'm
Yeah.
all about looks for teammates.
Yeah. That's all you care about. Number 6. Who do you think, apart from yourself, has the nicest nicest livery on the
Livery
grid?
on a car.
The trouble is you can't say Napa because they've had 15,000 of them this year, so which one would you choose from? Can't make their mind up, can they? Keep flipping
They
around.
can't make their mind up, but
So not them. Oh, that's what he put. He put something like that, didn't he? That would be bad if he did that. I might have to disown him if that happened. Oh, Napa.
tick. Yay!
Oh, you didn't. You put Napa.
Honestly, I didn't want to say it, but they are the next best looking from us.
But they've had 15 of them this year, man.
Well, I know because they want to make sure that they try and beat us every time, but they couldn't quite.
Oh, I see what you went.
So we actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 out of 6.
No, you didn't. Sorry, no, you didn't get the half point there, Tom. You
We got
literally
the half
them both.
for 32, 15.
Minus 15. No, but they're literally both wrong though. That's the trouble. So 2008 was wrong and 2002 is also wrong.
Karting, yeah, that's wrong, yeah. Don't worry about
But
the
so is
karting one.
2008. That's also wrong.
That should be just a 9.
Yes,
It's
and
quite
then it would be
close.
correct.
Yeah.
Which you didn't write.
Which you didn't write.
But hang on, let me do the maths right. So,
Trying it again won't make any difference, will it? You still got it wrong, man.
all right, it's 5 out of 6. And what did you get? Yeah, you got 5 out of 6.
Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, once a quarter fish alive. Yeah, it was.
So we got double points.
Double point!
Double.
Inside! 10 out of 12. I'd take that. I think we've nailed that, Tom Bodder.
We nailed
Did
that.
some good maths there. Oh.
Get in there, Lewis. Pub?
Oh, you invited me. Great, thanks. Don't
would
forget
you
to
like,
like and
Rosie?
subscribe to the BTCC YouTube channel for more great racing content.